Okay, I feel like I do really bad videos. Like oh my gosh, my hair. Okay, I'm gonna be like this for the rest of the video. Hey guys, so my hair is really ugly, so as you can tell, it's that ugly that I'm not showing it on camera, so. But anyway, today I'm gonna be doing my squishy collection video. I did it the first time, but I'm actually gonna keep getting squishy, so the more I get squishy, the more I did it. And finally I decided to do it. So let's get started. I actually did it before, but first of all, I did not like the video. But let's just get started. So first I have this Rody Toes, which you've probably seen a million times. But next I have this Capybara Song slipper. This is replica. No, I don't think it's replica. It's just like it's like a rip-off of the Capybara Song slipper. That's why it's so cracked. But next I have this Hanari replica tofu. Next I have this medium blush pen. But next I have this jumbo panda bun with the red bow. Next I have the mini version with the pink bow instead this time. This is my first one with the pink bow. And I'm so excited because I always get the red bow one. I don't know why, but I do. But next I have this like cake slice. This is replica, and I ripped off the paint when it was still really good. Just didn't like it. I don't know why. And it was like playing foam, so I decided to decorate it. Next I have this Minion cake roll. Okay. So I have 2-in-1 squishy. So it's just this ice cream, double scooped ice cream, and I ripped it off in different pieces. So here's just the top. And I put this in water, so that's why it's not very squishy. It's like really squishy, but it's not really soft. It's like really spongy. And it feels like the bottom part. But next, and I actually, I actually decorated this, but the paint doesn't stay on the squishy, so I just decided to take it off. I have this replica Hello Kitty donut, licensed and tagged, but not very squishy. It's just a Hello Kitty Sweets Cat size. It's not very slow rising, but it's definitely very soft. For some reason, it happens to be so soft, but not very slow rising. But, that's how life is. But next, I have this, like, plushie, which I don't know why I have, because that's not squishy. But I like it, and I considered it as my own squishy. For some reason. The laughing, crying face. But next, I have this Maple Leaf squeeze toy, and here's just how it looks. Okay, so I actually have to rip that off so I can take it out. Oh my gosh, so I could have taken this out of the packaging. It's so hard because there's like that bell thingy. No, I can't show you the back. Okay, too bad, too sad. In the packaging, it is really hard to squeeze. Out of the packaging, it's a little bit less hard, but it's rock. Because of the sticker too, and here's the bell. Oh my gosh, my throat hurts. Okay, Next we have this mini paint gun that I defected. That's why I purchased the other one. No, actually it was the whole story, but next I have this mini paste bun. Just really squishy. So squishy. And next I purchased this mini, next I have this mini laughing, oh my gosh, this mini Reggie Band box by Stay Squishy. This is really, really squishy. I love watching. Okay, and they both have the same, this one's a bit more sterilizing, but they have the same squishiness. See? Okay. See? It's really hard. See? Okay, so. Okay, but anyway, next I have this Ivan grape, and if you watch my video, you know that I cut the packaging, so now I have to put in this really ugly Ziploc bag, because I realized that and this is really defective, by the way, so, next I have this, like, my bag, the hamburger. I don't know why I love the hamburger so much. As it's squishy, they're really nice. I don't like hamburgers, I'd rather cheeseburgers, but I guess they're fine. But in squishy form, hamburgers are really cute. But next I have this French baguette. And there's like these really rare, like the Hurricane Dinner, the non-reproduced version. And I would be so satisfied because this would be like non-reproduced. And I would feel so satisfying to have something rare finally in my collection. But next I have this Blush Spin squishy, and this is my first ever squishy. Okay, but I have that. And last, oh wait, not last but not least, I actually have 3 left. Ooh. The Ivan Peach. The Bretto Donut. I like how it has like that parchment paper on the back. And the front squishy. Okay, and I'll squish it like this. Yeah, I'll try to squish it like that. Oh my gosh, there's so much of it. Oh, I don't know somehow, but I can kind of smell this thing, and it smells like chemicals. How? It smells like chemicals. Ew, it smells really bad. It smells disgusting. But that was it for now. I am actually gonna back to purchase some squishies, but stay tuned to watch my video. So yeah. Ouch. And oh shoot, I forgot one more squishy. I forgot to. I also have this Cafe Dien Bombolone sugar bun, and you probably will be surprised, like, where's the Cafe Dien sugar bun? They probably go back and back. It's just me that I forgot to show it. But that was it for now, guys. I hope you guys like, and subscribe, of course. So